Look, they didn't even ask me to go on my car. Look. He didn't even ask me to go on my car. He didn't even ask me to go on my car. That's a legal search, bro.
Hey, you want to record all you want, just back up. Back up.
Listen, my voice been getting violated since I was 16 years old. My first charge ever was an illegal search. I didn't know my rights. My lawyer should have fought that. He made me take the charge. He was offering me some years, so he said, take the charge, but you have to waive your rights. My lawyer was against me on this. Thank you to Auditing America for opening my eyes and letting me know I have a voice. Instead of them treating me like animals, I'm not allowing that no more. Treat me like a human. Look, they said they're gonna tow my car. When I'm in the door walking in before they even came in the parking lot. They're trying to bully me again, guys. I'm not going outside till a lieutenant comes. They threatened to tow my car and break the door to a restaurant that I don't even own it. Frank, where's the baby? Give me, I want the baby, and you go record on that side. Go get it. Find it. They can't tell you to get it. Bring me the baby, man.
Frank, so I've been respectful from the beginning.
Listen, man, I had a problem with you guys before.
So, that's fine. Record all you want, man. I told you that already. I'm going to come in there in a second, and you're going to be arrested for obstruction. I'm going to come in there in a second, and you're going to be arrested for obstruction.
When the lieutenant comes, I'm coming out.
Go around the front. We're going to put you in cuffs. Just go around.
They said they're going to put me in cuffs, bro. They're going to put me in cuffs. That's why you should have your fucking phone. So what?
Frank. Frank.
When the lieutenant, I don't trust you guys, man.
No, he's not.
I knew that, I couldn't even look in his face. I knew he was going to turn around. And I ordered food. I ordered food. So, huh? Call 911. He can't come back here. They got no warrant. All I did was come in the parking lot to get all the food.
Frank, do you have everything on you?
They never pulled me over.
Do you have everything on you? No. All right.
They never
Do you
pulled
have
me
a
over or
license?
nothing.
Do you have a license?
Of course I got a license.
Let me see it.
It's in the car.
All right, let's walk outside the car. It's a little bit easy.
These are my two boys right
Someone
here.
explain to me what's going on?
I could
Hey, I called.
You call.
Yeah, because I'm
Yeah, it's a
scared.
motor vehicle stop. Where you live? No. All right.
I don't know if you're gonna take my side of it. I can say.
No, so.
That has nothing to do
Frank,
All right, but
can you-
are you gonna listen to us, or that's your side? Come on, I'm scared of these guys. That's why I called you.
Why are you scared?
Because
It's police. Why are you scared?
Because-
It's police.
I got an eternal fair case with these guys already.
Okay.
That's why I don't want them messing with me no more. So if I got a case against them, why they pulling me over? If they didn't even pull me over, I was in the parking lot.
He wasn't even in the car.
Okay.
I ordered food.
Do you want to listen?
Where's his sneaker?
You
It's
stopped
in the
him?
car.
You trying to stop him?
No.
No, they reversed and came in the parking lot. He wasn't in the car. He was
I'm
in the
turning
back.
this way.
Your license says you have no license.
That's a lie, but go ahead.
Okay, we ran it. There's a
Okay.
record of it being run.
Okay.
Why don't
You
I
have
say
a
I got my
no?
license in the car.
Okay, that's all I want to see is your license.
But why when I never got put as my
brother,
son?
his son.
These are my
We're
two
getting to the
sons.
point where
Why are they searching your vehicle?
I don't even know.
Oh, you don't know? Did they ask you for permission?
No.
Really?
Wow.
Are you serious?
That's how it works nowadays, guys?
That's how it works?
Yep, that's how it works.
You're a son.
Yeah,
Frank,
my two
Frank.
sons.
21.
I was just giving you a verbal warning for everything. We would have been done about 20 minutes ago.
I understand. I'm not disrespecting.
Frank, I don't have any problems with you.
I don't have no
I'm giving you as
disrespect.
much respect as I
But
can.
that was illegal right now.
Wait,
But that was illegal right now. We did nothing for you to pull me over.
Vehicle, stop.
Can I go in the car and get you his license?
That's
All right. That's all. I'm scared. I'm scared right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna go get his license and then.
We all scared, man.
Right here.
I don't know why we're scared. I don't know why we're scared.
Because we used to
Can
ask
you walk me to the car to get his license?
Murph, you
All right, let's walk out to the back.
Murph,
What?
you want him to get his license?
No, we're all going to walk to the back.
All right.
Let's go. Let's go. This is your car. This is your food. We both want to go home.
Can you stay with? Oh.
Why don't you stay with me? Why don't you stay with me?
Yeah, I'm just nervous.
There's no reason to be nervous.
It's just
there's no reason.
It's just I wasn't.
There is no reason to be nervous. All right, right here.
Because they made me open my door and everything.
We're two adults talking.
I know this. I just never got in trouble before.
No one said you're in trouble.
No, I know. It's just I never had to deal with this at all.
I can explain what you think. I can explain.
And you, sir, what do you have to do with this?
That's my little brother.
Who? This gentleman? All right, he's with the police right now. You have to hang with me.
He's being detained?
I don't know. It's
Can
up
I
to
ask
them.
him if he's being detained?
They
He's
said
an
it was a
adult.
traffic
Ask him
stop.
if he's being detained, because if not, they gotta let him go. I know the law, bro.
They're a different
It's
unit than
bullshit.
us. They're doing something. They're doing
If
some
he's
sort
not
of
being
investigation.
detained, they gotta let him go, bro. It's the law. I don't care who he is.
He could be being detained.
They said it
That's
was a
their
traffic
business
stop.
right now. That's
No,
their
ask him if you're being detained.
That's their
They
business
said it was
right
a
now.
traffic stop.
He's being detained.
You guys are full of shit.
Right here, please. Sir,
I'm recording.
we're recording too. I told you that.
Look, they didn't even ask me to go in my car. Look. He didn't even ask me to go in my car. He didn't even ask me to go in my car. That's a legal search, bro.
Hey, you want to record all you want, just back up. Back up.
You back up, bro. I didn't do nothing wrong.
There was no reason to search him.
Look, give me a reason why you're searching my car.
Put my car.
I didn't even drive. I just got out the club, bro. That's the power they got.
We didn't even get to get in the car. Give me our camera, bro. We didn't even get to get in the car. It's freezing. I'm not even in the street.
Yo, can you get out my car now, bro?
Hey, give me a camera.
Yo, can you get out my car, please?
I'm a student.
Oh, you guys just back up.
Can you please get out my car? Nah, this is my car, bro. Nah, no, it's no illegal search. No, chill. Chill, bro.
Back up.
Why you pushing me?
I'm not pushing you.
But
Back
don't
up.
touch me, bro. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Back up.
Don't touch me. Niggas in my car for what? That's fucked up, bro. My car's getting searched. I just left the club. I did nothing illegal. I didn't even get pulled over. I didn't even get pulled over for them researching my car.